Hello everyone, today I will show you how to reset a Dyson Airwrap. First, make sure the Dyson Airwrap is turned off. Slide the power button to the off position. After that, unplug the device from the wall socket. This is very important because the Airwrap cannot reset while it is still connected to power. Once it is unplugged, let the device rest for at least 10 minutes. If your Airwrap stopped working during use, it may have overheated. Dyson devices have a built-in safety system that shuts them down when they get too hot. While you are waiting, remove the filter cage from the bottom of the handle. Twist it gently and slide it down. Check the filter inside. If you see dust, hair, or product buildup, this can block airflow and cause shutdowns. Use the cleaning brush that came with your Airwrap to brush away all debris. You can also lightly tap the filter to remove fine dust. Do not wash the filter with water. After the filter is clean, place it back onto the handle and twist it until it locks into place. Make sure it fits securely and is not loose. Now plug the Airwrap back into the wall socket. Do not turn it on yet. Wait about 10 seconds after plugging it in. This allows the internal system to reset fully. If the Airwrap still does not turn on, repeat the steps once more and double-check that the filter is completely clean. If problems continue, it may need professional service from Dyson support. That is how you reset a Dyson Airwrap safely and correctly. Thanks for watching.